Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This is covering the Office of Budget Responsibility Historical Official Forecast database. Now, there's only one table with so far 25,000 rows, data going back to 1970. That data actually comes from a pretty horrendous spreadsheet. This one here, as you can see, the data's been laid out with the dates down the side and across the top. The dates down the side are when the forecast was made, and across the top is when the forecast is for. And then you've got at the bottom here the different types of forecasts, which have got a title here. So we've mushed all that together and put it into one table. Here it is. You can see we've got the table name short and full name and the notes, and which Excel sheet that the data came from, and whether the row in question is a outturn historical data or forecast data, and you've got the dates relevant for that as well, and the amounts. Anyway, to have a play with that, just follow the link in the description, and you get 30 days free access for a trial. Thanks.